All right, hey guys. I'm going to do a little short video here on just kind of walking through the notes that we gave you guys that you're going to use to do the energy conversion worksheet. So this is notes on energy and temperature. We're just going to focus on really like the energy portion with the conversion of the units. So the most common unit of energy is called the calorie. As it says here, 1 calorie is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So in other words, if you had 50 grams of water, in order to raise that 50 grams of water 1 degree Celsius, you would need 50 calories. Okay. 1,000 calories is equal to 1 kilocalorie. It's a metric to metric conversion. Unfortunately, they also use the capital C to indicate kilocalories. I don't know why they do it. It's kind of annoying actually, but so 1 kilocalorie is the same thing as 1 capital C calorie. So you really have to pay attention and watch capital and lowercase for the calories. 1 capital C calorie is equal to 1,000 lowercase c calories. If you're wondering, the capital C calorie is what we normally see on food labels. So if you have like a candy bar or something that says 100 calories, that's capital C calories is the energy unit they're using on there. Okay. There's one other unit of energy that we're going to use. It's called the joule. This is the SI unit of energy. It's abbreviated with just a J. So then here I've given you some energy unit conversions that we're going to use. All right. The nice thing about these is we're going to use the same dimensional analysis factor label conversion method that we've used all semester long, the same style. So all we're going to do, so like this first one here, convert 255,000 joules into calories, capital C calories. So I'm going to start with 255,000 joules. And then we're going to have our conversion. And whatever label is on the top goes on the bottom, so they cancel. And whatever we're turning it into goes on the top, so capital C calorie on the top. Then we look up here. I've got 1 capital C calorie equals to 4,184 joules. And we've got the label we want, so we just do the math. Okay, so the math, you take the 255,000 divided by the 4,184 because that's on the bottom, so okay, and then significant figures, there's 3 at the beginning number. We have this, so it would be 60.9, and our label now is big C calories. Just like that. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Same type of idea. We're converting 0.83 little c calories into joules, so we start with what they give us. 0.83 little c calories. And we're converting that into joules. Little c calories on the top, little c calories on the bottom. It's joules. Go and look up here. Little c calories to joule is 1 little c calorie for 4.184. Make sure you watch because one of them has a decimal and one doesn't in the conversions with a capital calorie and the lowercase calorie. So calories cancel, we're in joules, which is what we want. We just do the math. 0.83 times 4.184, and we end up with this, which significant figures, there's 2 here, so we need 2, so it's 3.4. The 7 rounds it up, so 3.5, and our label, joules. Okay. All right. Last one is the same idea. It's just a word problem instead of kind of just flat out giving it to you. So If an average adult recommended daily intake is 2,400 calories per day, that's like, recommended daily allowance, how many joules are needed to hit the recommended daily intake? So it's still the same thing. We're still just doing a conversion. So we write down the beginning, which is we know that in big C calories, it's 2,400 big C calories. And we're going to convert dimensional analysis. Big C calories at the bottom, and we want to turn it into joules, like that. So we know from up here, there we go. We know from up here it is 4,184 joules for 1 big C calorie. And we do the math. And we get, so significant figures, there's 2. So it would either be, okay, so technically if it was 2, the only way to do it correctly would be to do 1.0 times 10, and then it's, let's see, 3, 6, 7. So times 10 to the 7th, if we want the right number of significant figures. And the label we're left with is capital J. And there we go. Okay, hopefully that helps and it makes sense. Good luck with the homework, and if you have any questions, let me know.